In this video, you're going to learn how to find your IMEI number on your iPhone or iOS device. So what you want to do is open up your new iPhone here and go to the Settings app. So to search for Settings or tap on the gear icon here to go to Settings. And then once here, you want to scroll down until you see General Settings. It has the gear icon once again. And then you want to tap into the About section there at the top. Once you're here, go ahead and scroll down and you're going to see where you can find the IMEI number underneath a section called eSIM or Available SIM. The newer phones will actually have two IMEI numbers. So it'll have IMEI 1 and 2. It'll have one under eSIM and it'll have one under the Available SIM. So when you're trying to activate a new phone or there is a lost phone, you may actually have to go to the iCloud to find that via the Find My feature. But on your new iPhone, you should be able to go to Settings, General, About, scroll down, and under the eSIM or Available SIM option, find the IMEI number that you're looking for. Next, I'm going to show you how to find the IMEI number of a lost or stolen iPhone. So what you want to do is you have to have access to your Apple account or your iCloud account. So go to account.apple.com on a web browser and then just sign in. And once you sign in to your Apple account here, you're going to see something on the sidebar here that says Devices. Click into Devices. Once under Devices, you want to locate the iPhone that's stolen or lost that you want to find the IMEI number for. So for me, it's my new iPhone 16 Pro Max, so go ahead and click into that there. Once you've clicked into it, if you scroll down, you'll see under the About section here that there is the IMEI number, and it'll give you the exact number that you're looking for, even if you don't have the device. So again, go to account.apple.com, log in, go to Devices, find the iPhone you're looking for, scroll down once you click into it, and the IMEI number will be at the very bottom, along with your serial number and some other pertinent information. If you have any questions about doing this, put them in the comment section below. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.